welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys another wig review and install, and this is another review that I'm doing from Friday Night Hair. I'm not exactly sure if I already have this review up, probably because I've been buying wigs from Friday Night Hair for so long, but this is the GLS109, and I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys a few things just about this wig. So here it is, obviously. Now, you guys, I really love this wig, or else I wouldn't keep going back to this company. I did do a lot of tailoring, not a lot, like very beginner friendly, but I did have to do some tailoring. I cut some bangs, I cut a couple of layers. I think after a day or two, this will lay a little bit better. But these curls are actually more tangly than I remember them being, because I literally have only been wearing this wig for 5 hours and I'm already feeling like, oh my god, like I don't know how long this is going to last me. But brushing them out helps them look a little better. Yeah, this looks a lot better. So the curls do tangle more than I remember, you guys. And this one, they do have some soft lace options, but this is their old lace. So okay, my eyelash is lagging a little bit. But this is their old lace, so it is a little bit hard, like a little bit crunchy, but these wigs retail for $50. I think I paid $60 with tax. And for how long it is, and you know, this curl pattern, would I say it's worth it? Yes, because it also has the ear-to-ear lace, okay, and I don't know, I'm just a fan of their wigs. I just feel like they really do look like human hair. I'm still fidgeting with this because I just feel like something's off with the bangs. But yeah, you guys, 60 bucks. I think this is really cute. Here's how long it is. Okay, so you're getting quite a bit of hair. So tangling, yes. Shedding, yes. Ear lace though, and combs and on the sides and the back. I don't know, you guys. I feel like it's worth it. You can comment below and let me know if you think it's worth it or not. But either way, Friday Night Hair, you can't deny that it looks very, very cute, okay? So, if you are interested in seeing how I styled and installed this wig, then just keep on watching, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!